Hi guys. Um, so I just did my nitrate level for today, and it's compared to previous weeks or previous days. Um, it's been consistently about 5 um, milligrams per liter. So what I wonder today, what I'm wondering about is I just thought about it. It's the question: is there denitrification going on in waterlogged areas between the rocks of my pond that's contributing to denitrification? I've always thought like um, rocks around the pond does contribute to denitrification, because in between the rocks there's very slow flow, and perhaps there's less oxygen, and there's a lot of sediments where denitrifying bacteria lives. So I'll show you areas in my pond that are sort of like waterlogged. And these areas between the rocks here, see? It hardly gets any water flow. And the last couple of years, I never really vacuum in here or clean it, because I think it provides some benefits to have, you know, some bacteria in there. And when it does rain, it doesn't really purge it that much, such that all the sludge and stuff ends up in the pond. And actually, some of these creeping plants here, they've established some roots in between there, so they might be sucking up nitrates, and there could be denitrifying bacteria in there. So we don't really know whether, if we do test the water in between these rocks, whether it be due to these plants sucking up the nitrates, or is it because of denitrification. But there's some areas here where there's no roots established. But right now I like to test this area here to see what the nitrate levels are in between these rocks. So we'll go ahead and get a sample of water. Some might say that, you know, it's so waterlogged that nitrates from the pond here doesn't end up in this, you know, the waterlogged areas between the rocks. But nitrates are very fluid, they're very motile, and they can penetrate in the most waterlogged areas between the rocks, or even in the waterlogged areas in the filter, or within the biofilm. So we'll go ahead and test this for nitrates. 5 mils. And as usual I shake bottle number 2 vigorously for 15-20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, put that down. Shake bottle 1 just a little bit. And then put 10 drops in the vial. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's bottle number 1. Shake it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 10 drops of bottle number 2. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then shake this vigorously for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Maybe 10 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So again, this is the nitrate I just did prior to the test. It's 5, and we'll wait 4 minutes for that to react. In the meantime, I'll give you a little bit of update about what I've been up to around the yard. Baby's getting bigger. And I'm trying to rehab this grass. It's overwhelmed with, I don't know what these weeds are, but I'm slowly pulling the weeds out since I seem to have a lot of time on my hands, a little bit more now. And recently I just fixed this wall here. See? It's a bit neater than before. Before it used to be like very narrow pathway here that I had a hard time like pushing the lawnmower through here. So I pushed it back and made it neater. When I was building the pond, I was in a hurry. I didn't stack the flagstone this neatly. It used to look like this when I was in a hurry to build these walls. When I was building a pond, I didn't really have time to stack these flagstone neat. And the Irish moss are doing good. So when my pond overflows, because of the trickle and flow through, it flows through here. I think it's flows through here, and I think one of the folds, and ends up draining here and into the city water basin, which is just beyond the fence there. Okay, so let's have a look at the nitrate level. Try to move slowly so you guys don't get dizzy. And let's compare the colors. And there is no noticeable difference. Sorry to say. Nitrates still 5 in the waterlogged areas. Okay, I was just curious. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.